Event 5 is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. On 3, 2, 1, go, partner 1 will complete 12 pull-up variations and 12 dumbbell snatches. Partner 2 will then complete 12 pull-up variations and 12 dumbbell snatches. Partner 1 will then complete 12 deadlifts and 12 box jump or step overs. Partner 2 will then complete 12 deadlifts and 12 box jumps or step overs. This repeats for a total of 2 rounds. Athlete scores will be the time it takes to complete all 192 reps. For all events, descriptions, and divisions, please visit our website.